Hello, welcome back to part 23 of Angular Complete series represented by tutorial polls, Common Module and Application Module. As we have seen already, an Angular application module in general consists of related components, directives, pipes, services, etc. Also, a module can import another module. As we have used a couple of the directives as ngIf, ngFor, etc. Did you wonder from where are we getting these directives or which module holding these directives? Open AppModule.ts and see here, it's Common Module that holds these commonly used functionalities. But wait, we don't have anything here named as Common Module. What the heck is this? Remember this exports property of the module which allow us to export component directives which we want to allow to use by other modules importing this module. Apart from components, directives and pipes, we can also re-export the imported modules. Pay attention to the word re-exported. So for example here, you see we have our created core module. This we can add in export. Now, whichever module we import AppModule, core module will also be imported automatically. Or in other words, we can say along with the AppModule functionality, the core module's functionality will also be made available or imported. So here core module will be re-exported. In the case of Common Module, here it's BrowserModule, which is re-exporting the Common Module. Let's open the URL angular.io/API/platform-browser/BrowserModule. And see here in the definition, it is saying exports required infrastructure for all Angular apps, included by default in all Angular apps created with the CLI new command. Re-exports Common Module and Application Module, making their exports and providers available to all apps. So whatever is being exported from Common Module and Application Module will be available to AppModule via BrowserModule. So the BrowserModule is importing and re-exporting the Common Module and Application Module. Let's click on this Common Module and see the definition. Exports all the basic Angular directives and pipes such as ngIf, ngFor of, decimal pipe and so on. Re-exported by BrowserModule, which is included automatically in the root app module when you create a new app with the CLI new command. So again it is telling us that the Common Module is made available by a BrowserModule to us. So now we know from where these common directives are inflowing or made available. Now let's also see the Application Module. Navigate back and click on Application Module. Read the description. Configures the root injector for an app with providers of Angular core dependencies that application ref needs to bootstrap components. So it provides the functionality required to bootstrap the component by application ref. So everything we use from the Angular core package is made available as providers from the application module. Alright. So we know now about everything made available to us on the broader line we can say was being added by this browser module. If you are trying to remember everything here or anything if you couldn't understand, that is perfectly fine. Don't try remembering everything. This walkthrough was just to make ourselves more aware of providers of the directive pipes etc. that we have used so far. We will learn more about it as we progress. So that was it for this lecture. Thank you and see you in the next lecture. It would be great if you can subscribe the channel and follow us on the social media platform of your choice, either Facebook or on Twitter.